the drone bees. And ladies, you're going to get some laughs on this one here. Male bees. These male bees are in the hive from March through to about mid-August. They only have one role in the hive, and that is to mate with the new queens. They eat, they don't bring any nectar in, they mate and die. They are the larger bee, and let's take a look here. This is your queen right here that we just talked about. This is your drone, and then this is your worker bee. So the drone is a little bit more shorter in nature on length, but a little bit more thicker. Drones, they will eat the honey and the pollen, and by mid-August, the females have an uprising. And they say, your eating is about to cost us. You got to go. And all those worker bees start working all of the drones out of the hive. And you'll see them on the outside, and you'll see some trying to go to the next hive. It's just super important that the worker bees move those drones out because they'll eat through those honey stores going into the winter. By September, they're all gone at that. Their life expectancy has run out, and the queen is no longer producing drones. And you will not see drones, depending on where you live, let's just say when the maple blossoms bloom is when you'll begin to see drones. And we'll also see in a few minutes here what a drone cell looks like versus a regular worker bee.